Alright, so we got a Chief Darkhorse here, and what I'm doing is installing the aux lights on it, and they're pretty simple. You take off this bolt and this one, and you put on the rails for that, and then you have to move the turn signal from here up to here, and that's not hard. And then there's a little bar there, and you have to, there's a little pen in here, you line that up, and then it takes two screws right there, and you do that on each side, and the power for them comes up, you feed it, you can see here, but the plug won't go through there, so you have to flip it under here and then drag the cord over that way. And then you look for the ones that are like this, and it's real easy. You plug it in, they're easy to find, they're free floating, and then you get that in. The power switch goes here. You have to pop a little plastic liner out of it, and then that goes in, and then there's a clip on the back that you kind of line up, and it retains it in place. Now, what I ran into that was a problem is the only cord that was hanging down was this one, and you can't see it if you're going from the back, which is what I tried to do without taking the cowling off. But it's got the pink wire on it, just like in the wiring diagram, but it's not lined up like is in the manual, and this one says HC6, and it fits here, but that does not work. I think that might be for a heated seat or something like that. What you want to do, you have to take this bundle off. I had to take my nacelle off, and then the bundle has a wire whipped up in there that it's down in there now, but it's labeled aux power or something like that, and it's harder to find. You have to undo it from the zip tie, so you do have to take your nacelle off, or at least I did. So after that though, I'll start her up in a minute and see what the light looks like. Alright, and here we are outside here. As you can see, I just got my LED beam on, and if you flick that to high beam, it's a bit brighter, but when you hit the new switch there, watch the side lighting. Wow, that's a big difference. I don't have them adjusted yet, but that lights up a lot more, and your light goes green, turning it off, and then on. Really makes a difference. Thanks.